Number 1.
1994 Chevrolet 1500, price $6,500. It features a clean blue exterior matched with a blue interior, giving it a sharp and cohesive look. Rejuvenated in 2022 and driven approximately 2,000 miles since, the truck received a new crate engine with all supporting components replaced, including the distributor, water pump, sensors, and related parts.
The transmission was rebuilt and upgraded with an external cooler and filter for improved reliability.
It was refinished with durable Monster bedliner paint and equipped with new Bilstein shocks for enhanced ride quality. Braking and cooling systems were thoroughly refreshed with new front rotors and pads, new rear drums and shoes, and a new radiator. The air conditioning system was also fully replaced, including the condenser, compressor, and hoses. Additional updates include refreshed wiring and a set of General Grabber tires with plenty of tread remaining, making this truck a solid and dependable choice.
Number 2.
1988 Ford F150, price $9,500, powered by a 5.0L 302 EFI V8 engine paired with a 5-speed manual transmission and has 230,000 miles. It features a 6-inch lift and sits on new 22x12 gear rims wrapped in 33x12.50 Landspider MT tires, giving it a bold and aggressive stance. The interior has been upgraded with an XLT lariat dash, visors, headliner, carpet, and wood grain trim.
It also includes a Kenwood stereo system with JBL door speakers and a JL Audio 10-inch subwoofer powered by a JD250 amp for enhanced sound quality. Performance improvements include long tube headers and a new true dual exhaust system.
The truck has received numerous new parts, including rough country shocks, U-joints, power steering components, ignition components, cooling system parts, a full new AC system, LED headlights, and more.
Number 3.
2000 GMC 1500, price $7,300, well-maintained 4x4 short bed Z71 pickup powered by a 5.3L Vortec V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission. This gasoline-powered truck has 223,000 miles on the odometer and continues to run strong, delivering reliable performance both on and off the road. Finished with a gray interior, the truck has been well cared for and remains in great running condition.
It starts easily and drives smoothly, with plenty of recent work completed on the engine to keep it performing at its best.
It also features new tires, adding to its overall road readiness.
The air conditioning system blows cold, ensuring comfort during daily driving.
With a clean title in hand, this Z71 4x4 stands as a solid and dependable full-size pickup ready for its next owner.
Number 4.
1988 Mazda B2200, price $4,700. It has 149,000 miles and is equipped with a manual transmission and gasoline engine. It features a gold exterior paired with a brown interior, giving it a classic vintage look. Mechanically, it has been extensively refreshed with all new suspension and steering components, a rebuilt transmission, new clutch and flywheel, resealed third member, and new axle seals. It rides on a set of 5 1980s Mitsubishi Montero wheels wrapped in nearly new Hankook Dynapro at 2 tires with approximately 3,000 miles.
The spare is mounted underneath.
It also includes a camper shell, a new tailgate latch, and previously replaced door handles. Cosmetically, it has a ripped door panel, missing window cranks, a broken passenger side slider window, and a dented tailgate. Overall, it is a solid, mechanically updated truck with minor cosmetic flaws.
Number 5.
1986 Chevrolet 1500, price $10,000, nicely maintained classic C10 pickup that combines vintage style with dependable performance. This particular truck has been properly lowered with a professionally done C-notch, giving it an aggressive stance while maintaining good suspension geometry and drivability. It is finished in a striking blue exterior complemented by a matching blue interior, creating a clean and coordinated appearance throughout. Under the hood, it is equipped with a strong-running 350 V8 engine paired with a TH350 automatic transmission. Running on gasoline, the truck starts up smoothly, performs well, and drives confidently on the road. The drivetrain is reported to be in great condition with no leaks, making it a solid and reliable cruiser that is ready to be enjoyed immediately.
Number 6. 1997 GMC 1500, price $7,000, reliable and well-kept full-size pickup powered by a V6 gasoline engine paired with an automatic transmission.
Finished in blue with a matching blue interior, it has 224,000 miles and comes with a clean California title in the owner's name, current registration, and a recently passed smog inspection. It has been driven daily over the past year without issues and remains very dependable.
Recent upgrades include a new fuel pump and a full Beltec lowering kit.
The interior is exceptionally clean, with a crack-free dashboard and no rattles, and everything functions as it should. The paint is in good overall condition with only minor dings, making it a solid choice for a daily driver or work truck.
Number 7.
1998 Chevrolet 1500, price $3,500, powered by a gasoline engine and paired with an automatic transmission. It has traveled 212,000 miles and comes with a clean title. Finished in blue with a beige interior, the truck presents as a dependable driver with honest wear for its age. Mechanically, it runs and drives well. It was recently refreshed after sitting, receiving new spark plugs, fresh fuel, and a new fuel filter. On the road, it performs smoothly and runs strong once given throttle. There is a slight load up at idle, but it clears up quickly and operates reliably under acceleration. Cosmetically, the truck shows typical imperfections, including some dents and dings, rough paint on the hood, and a crack in the windshield. Overall, it remains a good running pickup with solid potential as a daily driver or work truck.
Number 8.
1976 GMC K25, price $4,400, powered by a 350 gasoline engine paired with a turbo 350 automatic transmission.
Showing 92,000 miles, this blue-on-blue pickup features both a blue exterior and matching blue interior.
It runs strong and drives smoothly down the road. Equipped with the camper package and factory air conditioning, this K25 was built with both utility and comfort in mind. It also includes trailer brakes, a hidden fifth-wheel ball, CB antenna and mount, gun racks, and a set of good tires, making it well-suited for towing and outdoor use. While the body is not a showpiece and won't win awards for appearance, it remains an honest, solid truck with classic character. With a few minor items addressed, it has the potential to serve reliably as a daily driver.
Number 9.
1970 Chevrolet C10, price $10,000, classic short bed pickup finished in green with a matching green interior, powered by a gasoline engine. According to the seller, it retains its original 350 engine paired with a floor-shift manual transmission. The truck was purchased from its original owner and shows 57,000 original miles. It runs and drives well overall, making it a solid candidate for a classic truck enthusiast. However, the brakes need to be bled, and there is visible rust on the rocker panels, which may require attention. Despite these minor issues, the vehicle remains a strong example of a vintage C10 with largely original components and appealing factory color combination.
Number 10.
1972 Ford F100, price $5,800, well-preserved classic pickup that delivers both vintage charm and dependable performance. With only 50,000 miles on the odometer, it reflects relatively low usage for its age, adding to its appeal as a collectible and usable classic. It comes equipped with an automatic transmission, providing a smooth and comfortable driving experience that makes it enjoyable for cruising or weekend use. Finished in a striking orange exterior, this truck carries a bold and eye-catching presence that highlights its timeless 1970s styling. Under the hood, it is powered by a strong 360 engine, offering solid performance and the unmistakable sound and feel of a classic America.